How to add custom GIF to WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to create your GIF stickers on WhatsApp, open up your WhatsApp Messenger, go to a chat, and then tap on the right hand side icon on the message bar. However, there is no option to create a GIF yourself. So what you have to do is go to the plus icon and then tap on photos and then tap on the video that you want to create your own GIF and then tap on the pencil icon on the left side. There, make your video shorter, trim it, and then you'll see a GIF option appear. Tap on it. Now the video has been turned to GIF. You just have to send it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.